virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderate.
Time is barely on our side.